We are in St. Lucia. We are finally here in St. Lucia and we're absolutely loving it. This has been on our bucket list for a long time. But you know, if you come here for the first time, we've learned a few things. There's some things you need to know before you get here. First of all, the airport is on the south end of the island and the resorts are on the north end of the island.
Yeah, so there's probably three major ways that you can get from the airport to the resorts. The first one is just by taking a bus or a taxi, and a lot of that's usually included in a resort stay, like at Sandals, they'll pick you up. However, if you get car sick at all, that may not be the best route because it's like a couple of hours trip and on winding roads. And so the two other options that people tend to like, one is the ferry. That's how we got here, and highly recommend the ferry. And then the other one is a helicopter transport, and so that's how we're planning, hopefully, to get back to the airport at the end of the trip.
Yeah, and what I liked about the ferry here, I mean, you felt like you were already on vacation, already on an excursion, because it takes you down the coastline, and you pass the pitons. You can get all kind of photos. The people on the ferry are amazing. They have beverages. They're very entertaining. It was not crowded. It's a catamaran, so it has a big flat area deck that you can go out and stand, or an indoor area that you can sit. Highly recommend the ferry.
I put on the radio and I turn the lights down low. I sway with you to whatever is on. You've been working hard and you earned your battle scars. Let me hold you like a queen tonight. Let me grow with you. Let me bend and break.
And on St. Lucia, they don't just have one Sandals, they have three, and we are going to explore all three today.
We kind of walk the property. It really stretches out. It's a long beach, very kind of like secluded, or you know, if you really wanted some privacy, you know, not as busy as maybe the other one feels. Yeah, I mean, it's got a niche for sure.
I think the beach is better than I expected, actually.
Yeah, the beach really stretches out. Geez, probably a half a mile or more. Very long beach. If you like a long beach, calm, beautiful bay. Yeah, I mean, there is definitely a charm here, but it doesn't have that modern feel that you get in some of the other all-inclusives. But yeah, I mean, I would certainly enjoy staying here for sure.
Hey baby, tell me all your reasons for you leaving. Yeah, I kinda feel betrayed, this feel like treason. You ain't rooting for the home team, it's my season. Switching out the blue now, while I've been greening. Oh, you can stand out, I stand out. I got all these people on me, I'm the man now. Like, why you hate that? Hey girl, I made that. So I'm gonna need some other reasons for the take back. Oh, you gon' need some other reasons, reasons. You gon' need some other reasons, reasons. Yeah. Pull up to your crib, it's like 102. But baby, when you broke the news to me, it fell below 2. Spent the summer with you, baby, but you ain't keep it cool. Yeah, girl, you freezing. Like, what's the reasons? I had high hopes for us, but you made it so plumbing. Now it's tight room walking, but you pushed me to running. And now I slipped off, pissed off. What are you scheming? Like, why you changing your tune? You ain't feel like you did in June. Hey, baby, tell me all your reasons for you leaving. Yeah, I kinda feel betrayed, this feel like treason. You ain't rooting for the home team, it's my season. Switching out the blue now, while I've been greening. Oh, you can stand out, I stand out. I got all these people on me, I'm the man now. Like, why you hate that? Hey girl, I made that. So I'm gonna need some other reasons for the take back. Oh, you gon' need some other reasons, reasons. You gon' need some other reasons, reasons. Jealousy look bad on you like stains on the couch.
Alright, so today we are on an adventure cruise. We're gonna snorkel and explore the mud baths and enjoy some good food and just lots of fun times. Right now we're sailing across the Caribbean and it is absolutely beautiful. Perfect day. We're at the mud bath.
Thanks, Steph.
Okay, that was super fun. It was probably over 100 degrees, which is super cool, like a hot tub. And my skin feels
It
incredible.
does. I feel like little baby skin. Yeah, it surprisingly works.
Yeah. So do we look younger?
We're supposedly 10 years younger.
Yeah,
Right now.
it looks that way, doesn't it?
Feels that way.
November to May?
April. Yeah.
November to April, so you go out almost all the time. And then this time is just...
My name is Mervyn, but everybody calls me Skittles.
Skittles,
Yes.
like the candy.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
you can.
And-
That takes you to the mud bath, do a little bit of snorkeling, we do sightseeing, we do lunch, with unlimited drinks on the boat. We visit the Bat Cave, we visit Marigot Bay where they filmed the movie Dr. Dolittle in 1967. We have the only driving volcano in the whole world. We do that thoroughly. You know, sometimes you feel like you're 10 years younger after you do it, you know, in the volcano. And we do sightseeing in our fishing villages. tell you how the people live their life down there. You know, we love when we tell people about our little island, because, you know, this is our product. We advertise it. We love when people smile, and people could go back and tell their friends that, you know, come to St. Lucia.
Yeah.
And we're the #1 honeymoon destination. Yes.
And your boat, tell me about your boat.
Well, my boat, the brand name is Awa. It's licensed and insured for 9 couples, so it's small and personalized.
So instead of going on a big, huge boat with 50 people, you take small very personal trips?
Yes, we do smaller groups. So when we get on the boat, we introduce everybody to everybody. We ask everybody where they're from, so at the end of the day, everybody feels like family. And after they have the rum punch,
Right.
they feel more like family.
Right. So,
One-man army, Rambo. Baby walking like Naomi Campbell. Make me wanna risk it all, take a gamble. Little butterfly tattoo on her ankle. It go together with the one on my shoulder. I be like a sailor, swimming in the money. I was broke, won't go back. This a throwback, by the go in cold beer, baby hold that. I'm not there yet, but I'm so close. Shine your light on me, I'm lost. Feeling around in the dark. I can feel it, I'm so close. Feel it in my bones and that. Move our bodies cause we own the night. I can feel it in my bones and that. Move our bodies cause we own the night. I'm so close now, in the room where it happens, in the place where it goes down. We rolling like tumbleweed through a ghost town, putting out good vibes cause what goes round comes back round. Where the rap round now, put it on my head. I am trying to get back from the land of the dead. Man, it feels so different here with you. I'm not there yet, but I'm so close. Shine your light on me, I'm lost. Feeling around in the dark. I can feel it, I'm so close. I'm not there yet, but I'm so close. Shine your light on me, I'm lost. Feeling around in the dark. I can feel it, I'm so close. I can feel it in my bones and that. Move our bodies cause we own the night. I can feel it in my bones and that. Move our bodies cause we own the night. All of this I dreamt it, letting go of all the stresses and all that we're left with. It feels different. Let's get it. I can feel it in my bones and that. Move our bodies cause we own the night.
where are you right now?
We're in St. Lucia. We're
You
in the
do?
Sunset Cruise, and this captain has the best playlist.
Hey, it's true. We are getting ready to check out, which makes me pretty sad, but on the other hand, I'm I'm pretty excited about how we're getting to the airport. We're going to take a helicopter